that to God. I gotta give that to God.
Already won.
Make some adjustments, you know how it goes.
Yeah.
I see the finish.
Yeah. Man, I feel ice cold, man. Yeah.
If this doesn't finish, I'm gonna freaking lose.
Pretty not good. Fine.
I'm feeling great.
Whoa!
I'm gonna fail.
Feeling pretty good. A little nervous. Might get a 0.
I'm feeling great. Actually, I'm really nervous. I'm nervous. I feel great.
This was a good. It's been a bad day.
I chose it.
No! Oh God, I'm gonna cry. Okay. Look.
Shit.
Almost sung. Please
Frazier,
get that out of my face!
I'm glad I went out there and won by default because hers failed. So.
Wow. For Carly, how you feeling?
Feeling pretty good. Hopefully I don't hinder her from making it.
Feeling pretty calm.
What is this?
You got
Dang it.
Hey, Cameron, as long as it finishes, clearly I'm the winner. I passed.
I feel great, ready for the next match. I'm about to win.
Man, he gonna be swerving lanes. That's why he's not picking no lanes. You saw that cardboard one, and you saw how it felt.
No, of it.
Oh my God! But this one, you know, Reggie got it.
Alright, we're good. 1, go.
Reverse it. Wow.
Put it in the wrong.
I turned it around the wrong way. Come on!
I mean, I knew I was gonna win either way.
Craig can beat me, but he can't beat me. Take it outside. You beat me.
Alright, next up.
Oh, look at this comeback.
Oh, he's like, oh.
Look at this Design Tech family.
Yeah, you know, I'm about to go. We're about to get it, man. 110%. No INT, man. As long as we get a team effort 110%, you know, we're about to go get it, man.
Parker, get that shit
And you know, man, there's no INT, man. You know, my whole team got it 110%. You know, we have that's how I get it.
Whole team get in.
Good. Hey, Andrew, I should water.
Feeling so good right now. I don't know how to lose, except for if I do lose, in which case I want to give it all to God, and I'll edit it depending on whether I win or lose.
Let's go. Oh, Davies just wants to get stuck.
He got me. He got me. Hey, I want to. Let's go. I want to give it all to God. I'm humble. I'm be silent. Be silent, Reggie. Come on, Davis. Yeah. Buddy, you don't want it. Sit down. You don't want